Hi children, how are you? This is your maths teacher Kalyan Babu sir. In previous video in 7th class I discussed about integers. We learnt about integers. Integers are positive numbers, negative numbers along with 0, and it is denoted by the letter capital Z. But in this video today I am going to discuss about how to identify biggest integer and smallest integer. So to identify the bigger and smaller integers, first you draw a number line. So I draw a number line here. This is a number line, and locate some numbers. First you write 0 in between positives and negative integers. So for example, to identify bigger and smallest integers, first you take any two integers. For example, first problem, first one, minus 5 and minus 8. Minus 5 and minus 8. Which is the bigger and which is the smaller integer here? Minus 5 and minus 8. So first, you consider minus 5. Minus 5. Where it is on a number line? Look at there. Where it is? Yeah. Just it is here, minus 5. Circle it, circle minus 5 and draw a line here like this. Draw a line and locate the directions, right direction and also left direction. Right direction and left direction. A number which is right side of minus 5, they are all bigger numbers, bigger than minus 5. Means minus 4 bigger than minus 5. Minus 3 bigger than minus 5. Next, in left direction, minus 6 smaller than minus 5. Minus 7 smaller than minus 5. Minus 8 is also smaller than minus 5. So, in the question they asked the two integers. One is minus 5 and minus 8. So now, what about minus 5 and minus 8? So here we conclude according to this number line, minus 5 is a greater number. That means that is bigger number. Minus 5 is bigger. And minus 8 is smaller. Minus 8 is smaller integer. Why minus 5 bigger and minus 8 is smaller means minus 8 is left side of minus 5. Minus 8 is left side of minus 5. So here see this minus 8 is left side of minus 5. So that minus 8 is a smaller number. Then what about minus 5? If minus 8 is smaller, then minus 5 will be the bigger number. So that is the process to identify. So here once again one more problem. We will discuss one more problem. See here, take 0 and minus 3. Take 0 comma minus 3. Which is bigger, which is smaller? So first number is 0. Encircle 0 and draw a line here and left right direction, and this is left direction. So where is minus 3? Exactly it is left of 0. Minus 3 is left side of 0. So that minus 3 is smaller. If it is left side, then it is smaller. It is smaller than 0. So that here, what about 0? If minus 3 is smaller, then 0 will be bigger. So 0 is bigger number and minus 3 is smaller. So write these two integers in symbolic form. 0 is greater than minus 3. 0 is greater than minus 3. So this is the way to identify bigger and smaller integers. So the thing is, whatever the number they ask you, first you encircle and draw a line and locate locate the directions, left and right directions. Numbers which are left of the given number, they are all smaller. Numbers which are right side of the given number, they are all bigger numbers. So this is the process, children. Please do understand. Okay. So in this concept, I am going to give you some integers. You just identify which is the bigger integer and which is the smaller integer. For example, first problem, -9, -4. Second question, -10, 0. Third question, -15, -7. Fourth question, -95, -250. Fifth question, 10, -10. Sixth question, -9, -19. So here I given so many numbers to you. You have to identify which is bigger and which is smaller. Meanwhile, you note down all these questions in your classwork notebook and work out these all problems. Okay. After this, I discuss about some ascending orders and descending orders. Ascending order. What about ascending order? Ascending order means small to big. Descending order means big to small. So this shortcut also we know very well. In English alphabet we have A, B, C, D. Take 4 letters A, B, C, D. What is the first letter? A. And what is the last letter? D. So A is a smaller number than D. D is bigger. So that this is the process. A means ascending order. Ascending means small to big. Descending means big to small. This is the process to identify. Ascending order means small to big. Descending order means big to small. We know very well about this. Now ascending order. First I will give some numbers to you. For example, -9, -7, 0, -5, 2, 3. So like these are all given integers. Some negatives are there, some positives are there, and 0 also is there. So here first you write ascending means small to big, smaller number. So which is the smaller number? Ascending order. Smaller. The first smaller is -9. Why it is -9 is smaller means -9 is left side of all these integers. The first -9. Next after -9 after -7. -7 after -5. -5 after 0. 0 after 2. 2 after 3. You can check this, all these numbers. Again you draw a number line in your classwork notebook where it would be -9. -9 should be left side of -7. So that -9 smaller, -7 bigger. -7 is again left of -5. So -7 is bigger, -7 is smaller, -5 is bigger. -5 and 0. -5 is left of 0. So -5 is smaller, 0 is bigger. 2 is bigger number, 3 more than 2. So this is about ascending order. Now take these all numbers and write descending order. Very easy, I think it is reverse form. 3, 2, 0, -5, -7, -9. So these are all descending orders. So I hope you understand all these ascending and descending orders. So I am going to give some problems homework to you in tomorrow's class. I will post the questions, so do correctly. If you have any doubts, again ask me. This is about identification of integers, bigger and smaller. Okay, thank you children, have a nice day. We meet again in the next class.